Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode on Silverplex. We are constantly giving you interesting videos on Silverplex about your favorite TV series. We are different from others. Subscribe to the Silverplex and enjoy the video. We provide you all the fabulous and interesting contents and amazing news in the Silverplex. Today Silverplex has brought an exciting episode for you about the Calgary Stampede. Calgary Stampede is a non-profit community organization. It holds events on rodeo, exhibition and festivals every year in the month of July. Calgary Stampede event runs in Calgary, Alberta, Canada for 10 days annually. It is considered as the greatest outdoor show on earth. It attracts more than 1 million visitors in annual basis. Stampede is featured with largest rodeos of earth, agriculture competitions, concerts and stage shows and lots more. Calgary Stampede is here to conserve and promote Western culture, heritages and community spirits. Early history of Stampede comes from 1886 with first fair organized by the Calgary and District Agriculture Society. Later in 1912, Guy Wydick managed to organize his first rodeo and festival called after the name the Stampede. Again, he came back to the Calgary from organizing the Victory Stampede in 1919 to honor the soldiers returning from World War I. In 1923, after merging with the Calgary Industrial Exhibition, Wydick's festival came to be annual event to form the Calgary Exhibition and Stampede. The Stampede event takes place from his first Friday of July and something on second Friday if the first Friday is Canada Day or day after Canada Day. Events is organized by hundreds of volunteers. Rodeo and choke wagon racing events are broadcasted on televisions around Canada. However, both rodeo and choke wagon are being criticized by animal welfare groups and sought to be banned by animal rights organizations. Calgary Stampede has very good response among people. It is visited by more than 1 million people despite of busy lifestyle of people in modern days. The event has its own identity and originality. Since it started its regular annual events, it was never stopped despite of various challenges. But in 2020, it got cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. Some of basic community-oriented events were held in compliance with Alberta public health orders. Cancellation of the event caused huge economic loss. In 2019, Stampede grossed almost $154 million and turned a profit $2.2 million. In 2020, the cancelled Stampede generated only $25 million in revenue, resulting a loss of $26.5 million. For 2021, officials are not able to provide profit or deficit report until the conclusions of event comes out. But despite of international borders being shut down, the 10 days event in 2021 managed to be visited 5,28,988 people while 12,75,465 people visited in the event of 2019. 75% of the people 2021 attendance were from Calgary, 12% from Alberta, and rest of others from province around world. To maintain honesty and integrity of communities and our earth, recycling, energy-efficient technology, green products and water safeguard measures are few of the efforts employed on Stampede Park. The Stampede maintains 3 principles of environmental safety. Number 1, comply with all applicable regulations. Number 2, continually seek environment. Number 3, minimize how their operations impact the environmental negatively. How do you like today's content? If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Share the video with everyone. Have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe it now. If you have something you want to see on the Silverplex, comment below in the comment box. We try to give you the contents you want. For now, have a good day, stay safe, stay happy, bye bye.